Hi everybody. The particle systems and force fields in 3D are always a nightmare for 3D artists as well as beginners to 3D. But we can learn them using the right settings. The download links of images and files used in this video are in the description. Download them and follow along with me in this tutorial. Let's jump onto the video. Click Shift A and create a plane which is a base. Then add a circle from the curve section. Click the down point, press V and change set handle type to vector. Now we created a basic petal, and we can add material to it. In the shading section, press Ctrl T to add image texture setup and choose the image needed. Connect alpha to the alpha socket and change from repeat to extended in the image node. Increase subsurface and add pink color, decrease the specular value to the petal. Go to Object Mode, click Object Covert to Mesh. Then in the UV workspace, click A to select Toggle All, click Project from View in the UV menu from the top angle. Scale the projected UV to a petal size. Then in the material settings, check backface culling on and change to alpha hashed and shadow to none. The pink petal is now ready. Now click on the plane and scale it. Go to the particle section and add an emitter particle system. Change the emitter number to 600, start value and end value to 1, and lifetime to 250. In velocity, change to 0. And in the force field, change the gravity value to 0. In the render section, change to object and select the object as petal. Increase the scale value and check the global coordinates checkbox. Hide the petal object in the viewport and render. Now, click Tab to go to Edit Mode, right-click Subdivide and add more segments to the plane. Go to Weight Painting Mode, and with the weight of 1 paint the center areas of the plane. Then go to Particle Settings, in the Vertex Groups, add the group to the Density tab. Now the particle system is ready. Add a circle and click the top and bottom points, and make set handle type as vector handles. Select both side handles separately and click Subdivide to increase segments. Move the top handle down, and adjust it to get a heart shape. Then other than top and bottom handles, make other set handle type as automatic. Rename the circle as heart, go to Object Mode and convert it to mesh. Click on Physics tab and add a force field to the heart shape. Select the harmonic force field and shape to every point. The harmonic force field attracts the particles to the surface of the object. Change the power according to the speed you need. Damping will increase the slowness. Place the heart in the plane and scale it according to your size. In the particle settings, go to the Physics tab and increase damping and change the power according to the speed you need. Hide the heart in Render and in the viewport. Select the camera view and click Lock Camera to View and adjust it to top view. We can change the blending mode to alpha blend as it gives accurate results. Change the material settings for the best result. In the timeline, go to the 120th frame and click the keyframe icon in the power, and in the 130th frame down the value of power and click the keyframe icon. Now the particles will form the heart shape and then disperse along the plane. Adjust the keyframe as per the speed you want. Now add wind force field by pressing Shift A. Then place it in the way that it blows the heart. With the power as 0, place the keyframe where the particles slightly start disperse. After 10 frames, up the power value and then place the keyframe. Now we can animate text. Click File, Import Image as Planes to import Happy Valentine's Day PNG. And change shadow as none. Add Mix Color RGB node to change color as black. Place them in the center of heart. Then for the transformation animation, make the subsurface color as white and animate the value to 0 to 1 in specific intervals. Import love text and repeat the same steps. compositing and color correction of petals using the video above. If you want to make color correction on your video like this, go to Smartwork Studios and watch color correction tutorial or tutorial link given description. You can find the finished Blender file in Gumroad. If you like the learning session, please click the like button. For more such amazing videos, subscribe to Smartwork Studios.